If you're a man aged over 50 and you've noticed it's harder to recall names, focus on tasks, learn new skills, and maintain motivation, your brain isn't broken, it's starving. In this video, we're going to look at a simple routine that gets you back to razor-sharp thinking and rebuilds your motivation without endless hours of effort. I'm a man in my 50s myself, and having spent the last few years becoming more and more interested in peak performance psychology, I've put together the simplest of systems that actually works for the more mature mind. Here's a roadmap preview so you know what we're going to cover. Phase 1, the Neuroplasticity Reboot. How to literally rewire your brain using 2 daily habits. Phase 2, the Focus Fortress. A 5-minute morning ritual that eliminates brain fog and doubles your processing speed. Phase 3, the Recovery Engine. The sleep and stress fixes that lock in your gains permanently. Plus, the motivation trap and how to escape it. If you watch to the end, I've got a free resource that maps this entire routine step by step. Phase 1, the Neuroplasticity Reboot, which should take you about 6 or 7 minutes each day. Why this is important? Your brain has 86 billion neurons. After 50, you lose about 1% of brain volume per year, if you choose to do nothing about it. But here's the game changer. Neuroplasticity. Your brain's ability to form new connections never stops. You can build new pathways faster than you lose old ones, but only if you feed the system correctly. What you need to do: 2 absolute non-negotiables. Number 1, omega-3 saturation. Your brain is 60% fat. DHA, a type of omega-3, is the building block of neurons. Most men are deficient. You need 2 to 3 grams daily: salmon, sardines, or a high-quality supplement. Number 2, novel learning. Your brain gets fitter when it's challenged. Spend 15 minutes each day learning something uncomfortable, a new language, musical instrument, or complex skill. If it's too easy, it won't work. The struggle is the signal for growth. Here's a very simple quick win. Starting tomorrow, take 2 of omega-3 with breakfast and spend 15 minutes on the Dual and Back app, or something similarly challenging. That's it. You should start noticing sharper recall within 2 weeks. Phase 2, the Focus Fortress. 6 to 7 minutes daily. Why this is important? Attention is the currency of the modern world. But your prefrontal cortex, the focus center, weakens with age, and it gets hijacked by dopamine spikes from phones, news, and social media. You're not lazy. You're neurochemically hijacked. What you need to do to fix it: the 5-minute morning anchor. 1, the hydration spike. 32 ounces of water immediately upon waking. Dehydration kills cognition. Your brain is 75% water. 2, breath work. Box breathing. 4 seconds in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold. Repeat 5 cycles. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system and clears cortisol fog. 3, intention setting. Write down your 1 priority for the day. Not 10. 1. This primes your reticular activating system to filter distractions. Here's how to make this a quick win. Tomorrow morning, glass of water, 5 rounds of box breathing. Write 1 priority. Notice how much clearer your first 3 hours feel. Phase 3, the Recovery Engine. 6 to 7 minutes daily. Why this is so important? Everything you've done in Phase 1 and 2 gets erased if you don't recover properly. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memories, clears metabolic waste, and repairs neurons. Stress is the silent killer that keeps you in fight-or-flight mode 24/7, literally shrinking your hippocampus. What you need to start doing: the 10-3-2-1 sleep formula. 10 hours before bed. No more caffeine. 3 hours before bed. No more food. Hours before going to bed. No more work. 1 hour before bed. No phone or tablet device. Here's the quick win. Tonight, implement just the 1 part of the formula. No phone or tablet 1 hour before bed. This is not magic. It's simple biology. Feed your brain, train your focus, protect your recovery. The results are inevitable. Final stage. The motivation trap and how to escape it. The real enemy here isn't your biology. It's your environment. You're over 50. Your friends are talking about retirement plans. Your colleagues are checking out mentally, coasting until their pension kicks in. And then there's you. Still hungry, still building, still trying to level up. And a voice in your head whispers, "Am I crazy? Shouldn't I just relax?" Here's the truth of the matter. You're not wrong. And they're not wrong. You're just playing a different game. Most people hit 50 and shift into preservation mode, and that's fine, for them. But you're wired differently. You don't want to power down. You want to power up. And that doesn't make you delusional or a workaholic. It makes you someone who refuses to waste the best years of your life watching Netflix on a couch. But here's the trap. Isolation completely kills motivation. When everyone around you is pulling the ripcord, it's hard to stay fired up. You start questioning yourself. The doubt creeps in. And doubt is the big mind killer. The complete fix. The 3 motivation anchors. If you want to stay driven while the world tells you to slow down, you need 3 non-negotiable anchors. Anchor number 1. Purpose, clarity. You need a reason bigger than comfort. Write this down. What becomes possible in the next 10 years if I can stay sharp and driven? Not money. Not status. What impact? What legacy? What version of yourself are you building toward? Get crystal clear. Revisit it weekly. Anchor number 2. Tribe upgrade. You need to be around men who are still in the arena. Join a mastermind. Find an online community. Hire a coach. Whatever it takes. Energy is contagious. Surround yourself with people who are building, not retiring. If you can't find them locally, find them digitally. But do find them. Anchor number 3. Micro momentum. Motivation doesn't create action. It's the other way around. Action creates motivation. On days when you feel the doubt creeping in, just do one thing from this protocol. The 5-minute morning anchor. A 15-minute learning session. One thing. Movement creates energy. Energy creates clarity. Clarity creates drive. Look, the world will keep telling you to slow down. Your peers will tell you to take it easy. And maybe, one day, you will. But not today. Not when you still have gas in the tank. Not when you still have something to prove to yourself. This routine doesn't just make you sharper, it gives you the energy to keep chasing what matters to you. That's the real edge. Okay, now let's talk about the tactical mistakes that sabotage even the most motivated guys. Mistake 1. Doing everything at once. You try to overhaul your entire life Monday morning. But by Wednesday, you're back to old habits. Fix. Pick one phase. Master it for 2 weeks. Then add the next. Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. Mistake number 2. Ignoring sleep. You nail the diet and focus work, but still sleep for only 5 hours. You're filling a bucket with a hole in it. Fix. Phase 3 is non-negotiable. Protect your sleep like your life depends on it. Because your brain does. Mistake 3. Not tracking your progress. You wing it, and then wonder why nothing changes. What gets measured, gets managed. Fix. Use a simple journal. Rate your focus, energy, and sleep quality daily. Patterns will emerge fast. Look, I know this is a lot to remember, so I've created a free resource for you. A reset checklist. It's a simple PDF that breaks down every step, every quick win, and gives you a 30-day tracking sheet. All you have to do is click the link in the description, enter your email, and I'll send it to you immediately. No fluff, no spam, just the checklist. Let's summarize what we covered. Phase 1. Feed your brain omega-3s and challenge it with novel learning. Phase 2. Own your mornings with the 5-minute Focus Fortress ritual. Phase 3. Protect your recovery with sleep hygiene and stress circuit breakers. Last but not least, prime your motivation for years of success. Simple, easy-to-follow steps. 4 quick wins. 30 days to recovering your focus, your clarity, and your sharpness. Now, if you're thinking, this is great, but I want a complete system, expert-led programs, advanced training, a community of high performers, then you may want to consider a high-quality online resource, something like GrowthDay. GrowthDay is the Netflix of personal growth. You get unlimited access to world-class teachers, science-backed programs, peak performance coaches, all in one membership. Programs specifically designed for peak performance, stress mastery, motivation, and success longevity. Who's it for? This is for anyone who is absolutely not interested in slowing down, who wants structure, accountability, and cutting-edge strategies, not random, incoherent tips. If you're serious about becoming the sharpest version of yourself, this is a standout cutting-edge resource. Try it. They offer a 7-day free trial, so if it's not for you, you've lost nothing. If you want to give it a try, click the link in the description. It's my affiliate link, so I get a commission at no extra cost to you should you decide to join. Sign up, explore the training and programs, decide if it's the right thing for you. Remember, you're not slowing down. You're just getting started. I'll see you in the next video.